In this video, we're going to assign point marker styles and point label styles to points that are already inside of this drawing file. We're going to do this by editing a list of the points and forcing an assigned marker style and label style. In order to show this list of points, we're going to go over to the Prospector tab of the Tools window and right-click on Points. We're going to select Edit Points, and the panorama window of all the points in this drawing is going to display itself. If you navigate over to the right-hand panel of this panorama window, you're going to see a section where it says Style and Points Label Style. Under Style, if you select the empty box and you click it twice, a Select Point Style window is going to show up. Right now we have none selected. If we drop down, we can select any of the available point marker styles that are in this drawing. I'm going to go ahead and select Benchmark and select OK. And I'm going to do that through the other 3 remaining points. Like I did on this, all the points are the same and they're going to have the same style and the same point label style. A faster way of doing this, instead of selecting every single one, is to select the first one and select the last one in a list of ones that you want to have the same label style or marker style, and continue to hold down the Shift button while you select any of the boxes. A Select Label Style window will pop up, and you can drop down and select Description Only or any of the other ones that are available from point labels that are already in this drawing. I'm going to go ahead and select Description Only and select OK, and it applies Description Only to all of the points that I had Shift selected. So I'm going to go ahead and check the green box in the upper corner to accept the changes that I made. And if I zoom into one of these points, you'll notice that the point style marker changed and the point label style changed.